Hi. Um, so for this assignment, I decided to make a Jeopardy game for my Spanish class. This is gonna be for beginners. So my objective is just to start with the basics of the Spanish language. And I created in this game, I created four different categories. One will be the alphabet. Second, it's months of the year, numbers, and when is. So the students will have to read it in Spanish and read it in Spanish and answer it in Spanish. Um, for this game, I will say around three different teams and maybe of four different students in each team. I'm not sure how many students I will have, but for this example, they say that I have three different teams. So team number one will have to take a turn, and then team number two and team number three. So let's get it started. Let's play. So let's say that team number one will choose to answer the first question and just for 100 points from the alphabet. So they will have to click and they will see the question. And in Spanish, it says first letter of the alphabet. They will have to read it in Spanish, understand what this is in Spanish, and answer it in Spanish, which the answer is, sorry, the answer it's A. And that will be for 100 points. Then team number one will have to choose their question, and let's say that they choose months of the year for 200 points. Click on the little rectangle, and the question is um, fifth month of the year. They will have to answer it, and the answer is May. And so maybe if it's to make it a little bit more interesting, I will time it. So maybe they will only have like 60 seconds if the questions are very easy, you know, maybe less. But I will try to encourage them to to keep going. All right. So team number three will choose numbers, and this question is uh, the because it's related to number 16 in Spanish. So they will know the question in English, but they have to translate it in Spanish. And for this is the answer is 16, which is 16. So this is what is um, the game is gonna be. And as I was saying, I'm trying to encourage teamwork. I'm trying to encourage Spanish proficiency and the use of the language in the class and to have fun. So we'll see. I I will try to make it as fun as possible and to engage the students and prepare everything before we start playing. Thank you.